Hi guys, I'm back. And as you can see, another tile. And we're going to use some of this, it's like a Prussian blue color, and then some sort of bronzy color, and then some icy pink color. And just a regular sort of, I think we're going to do the puddle for the Dutch pour, but we're still going to use this little thing, so it's going to be a little different because it doesn't blow as hard as the hair dryer does. But we're going to use it anyway because it's a fun little toy and it works really well to move paint around without plastering my entire kitchen with it. Ooh, that's a lot of paint. We don't want too much on there because it does tend to go a long way on these tiny little tiles. Oops, did not mean to do that. That's okay though, we can cover it with white paint later. Here we go. And maybe a hint of this sort of turquoise. Right there. Right there. Okay, that should be good enough. Oh, we need our white to be blown over around. Let's go ahead and cover that up. There we go. And we'll leave it at that. You see, it doesn't have much force to it. Kind of mixes the colors quite a bit. Very super slow version of our typical Dutch pour. Not really, it's just boring. So far, so far. Put a little bit more white on that corner right there. And kind of blow it across the bottom part of this, because the bottom part of this I don't like at the moment. Really just playing at this point. Not really in love with this one, but I'm kind of liking it. There we go, that was better. If you go kind of in a, right from on top of it, it'll sort of blow it in a circular pattern there. Let's put a little more white on it on this corner too. blow that back a little bit. I'm trying to like having that little white corner there. And this is a little too much over here as well, so we're going to blow it out because I don't like it. We could sit here and do this all day. It's definitely not much of a Dutch pour anymore, but still it's kind of pretty. Kinda. Still don't like this little corner here. It's bothering me. So let's scrape it out with a little. That.
Pretty.
Thank you. I'm not liking it, but we're still fussing with it. That's okay. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Okay. Well, I've really done a number on this one. Okay. I think that it's just about done there. Just about. Yeah. Okay. I think that's pretty. It's kind of pretty. Okay. Oh, there's a close-up of all the colors sort of blending together. Very pretty. Luckily, yeah, we didn't get any kind of mud. As much as we were moving that paint around, it's a miracle. I like where those colors go together. Alright guys, there's your pretty for today. I hope you liked it. Actually turned out pretty well considering we fussed with it and fussed with it and fussed with it. I wouldn't exactly call that a Dutch pour, but it's close enough. It looks like a Dutch pour, it just took a lot more effort. But again, that's because I have this it's a little blower instead of the big blow dryer. So the big blow dryer blends everything automatically. This doesn't push it around hard enough. So that's okay though. It's fun to play with these little. If you guys don't have one of these, they're not expensive. I've had this one for probably a couple years now, and it still works just fine. So if you don't have one of these, go buy one, because it's just a fun thing to play around with, and see what you can do with it. All right, wherever you're on the planet, I hope you're having an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night, and I hope you're happy and healthy, taking care of yourself, taking care of everyone around you, and wearing a mask when you go out in public, please. I know they're a nuisance, but may save your life or the life of somebody you love very dearly. So please take care of each other. And thank you for supporting my channel in whatever way that you do, watching the ads, and giving me a like and sharing my video and subscribing to my channel. All right, see you later. Bye.